Discover the secrets of the Shaolin monks to maintain your mobility and freedom for a longer life. This video reveals tried and tested practices for longevity and youthful vitality without the need for pills or strenuous exercise. Learn how to improve your body and mind with simple, powerful techniques used by the monks themselves.
What if I told you that the first 5 minutes after you wake up could decide whether you live another 5, 10, even 30 more years? Not with pills, not with surgery, but with a simple morning habit backed by science and ancient wisdom that could protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and keep you strong long after 65. If you're waking up tired, stiff, or foggy, this is your warning, but it's also your second chance. Yes,